Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to save locations in Google Maps on Android. So the first step, open Google Maps and find the location you want to save by entering an address right here or a name in the search bar. So just tap on the location and scroll to the right until you see the save bar. Tap into it, then it will automatically save it to the favorites, then tap done, and then scroll to the right to see more, and then tap add label. Name it whatever you want, like work, home, school, university, and then tap done. So let's check it how it works. And for a quick access to the saved location, just enter its name in the search bar. As we can see, it works very well, so now you know how to save locations in the Google Maps on your Android. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.